Thank you for the likes. Dogo umesikia pale niko kuja huko saa hii. Yeah. Karula ifu aibono tuasire NDIZI TV. Umeka Saudi. Namuuliza ameka Saudi. Abantu ba NDIZI TV ngayobo kendo baba waterete maragoba yakono. Kaimo ko biriera. Sawa dogo. Sawa. Poa. Okay. Nataka kumaliza. Surely. Si hata useme bye.
Mwambie bye wakuje NDIZI TV YouTube.
Ona tuingieni YouTube tuko live kwa NDIZI TV. Bye for now.
Galesha wachana na observe kutoka.
Okay. Bantu muraika. Kwani abantu. Abantu bo mu nguru nabakwanira ingambi ya more. No tora NDIZI TV live. Karibu sana ngayubo kendo muroje bakunerete. Karibu sana. Tuko hapa. So muraire ko mindo no ara. Ogonta mirio musacha lakini no toramo. Ntoko bantu tokamo. Kero musacha bwato murabu wake. Umurabu no murabu asinini. Ko bege kwa sawa. Bon. So my people, torege igato tetoko batebi gore ya Mobucha ibu movie ya era juzi for episode 1 to episode 18. What was it to episode 18? 18. Yeah, from episode 1 to episode 18. As everybody watched it, it was a nice movie. It was an encouraging one, and mostly it was a touching movie kwa life za watu wengi. Yeah. So we are back. We are here. Tetoko batebi Mobucha ibu part 2. Yeah. So Mobucha ibu episode 1 to part 1 imeisha. If you have not watched still, iko kwa YouTube hapa kwa NDIZI TV. Iko hapo, you can go and watch. Ndio tukitoa episode season 2 onyare ko buatani. Tochakira njira tochakira Mobucha ibu ya kabero tara watching tangani. Yeah. So we are on the process yoko gendra kubeka Mobucha ibu part 2. Eyu era abe kuchaka ko ba aired soon. Wango ika. Karate byanga bantu kuri experience kia Mobucha ibu yawo. Iyo yakwanze. Abantu bamungo nande nabakwaniri Mobucha ibu ekere twanyaktetie acting tetio soro serious mongecha mono tingitetio soro serious lakini ebine bintu biri chinyomba cheito ebine bintu bigokorekana chinyomba cheito anyandiria abantu twanja tuonchureri tutige gwita abasacha batige gwita abakungu tuanchane teye abantu batige gutumia tokini abana ndi kababa mutumeka monda chwaswanyara abaswanyaro rendo kurigeria abana nabasoroire tiga twanchane nande tokini abana so bwamo totwaro bwanchane boli bwo mukungu no musacha boli akwegerete kurunchera tochikumurigeri kababa anyoro soire nyaro. Karibu sana. Yeah, nchekinda abatebi Mobucha ibu first ile ya kwanza personally naringi one of the actresses there lakini rende no nche yangu neteka rongo ikaransa nanyi watch yons yangu nete bintu mbiro konyora bi real in real life today bintu mbiro konyora bi go happen in marriages cia abantu tari nche buyaka no soro bi go happen okonyora umukungu ali boya lakini nande kwanyora oseri wochire omo abantu bekenyoro buna kera abantu batagwanche ti baretiro mungao kengima. Yeah, so it's some things are just real. It happens in our lives today. Njebon namuna first wife nginda abate tore merani ase endoa toremererani ase enyomo gekogera gekogera oyo gwachorete omotang'ani nero oyogo na mochanda na motatwara abana nabo moikaransa ise monyore solution yo konyora abana kobua gotigana ogochi kogwero nabo ragwere ekiarambe ogotama enchoke oumera na ekiarambe so part 2 ya isire koba ready esoke iskoga I think it's gonna be a good one too. Nabo okobwatani korwa ase twatigerete kogenderera nabo ko imagine what's going to happen echimutu iga
Ego momisi ko watch NDIZI TV. Bera NDIZI TV abana baminto.
Samora na iko iroso.
Kwa kimara mwenzi.
Tago changa
Mugaka kayachi tago chato bange. Mugaka ai chato bange. Kia gotama ise. Okay. Agototama.
Meanwhile toganye tosoro na mo totechi experience chino chia Mobucha ibi my first wife. Na ande ninki mu expected tokore mono ase my first wife season 2. Ngi abantu nkioroche tu akorete bobe ase my first wife season 1 ekitotakaire gochinja ase season 2. Usengi keriki nkioroche tu akore
ngitoramente.
Ase Mobucha ibi my first wife season 2. Let me try and share. You can share this live. Okay, was orongo ikari gaiga. Torosha mangana ngerere kero sorata yang. Ando kuna venye mtu unaweza na comment. Njanga nyite monte bingi kiri morocho tu akorte basa Mobucha season 1 turanyare ko batuguchinjia season 2 na ande ni ngori muzatake kunyara muratake korora ase Mobucha ibuye ya season 2 ni ngori motete korora ase season 2 oyo tare ngoro season 1
Nainde ni ngomotataiti korora
aya ngomotataiti korora ase season 2 olengo season 1 na omogo tutebi tomanye what to do ase script ya season 2 Prince Nyakundi ningorocha nore tundi ni Evelyn Morana kuona and thank you for watching. Maoni zikuja, maoni ya kuja. We sawa. Maoni yache. Leta maoni ya inona naki. Mono gagwa senki ngi murocha tu akote bwa season 1 turanyare guchicha season 2. Nande season 1 abantu mbali bali ngoromo abaroche sigati mayako waifia inche osoro n'abantu bande
mwise kominto
mwise komwaboyo no arenge ngo morocho toramenta ase season 2 ngo morocho toramenta ase season 2 second wife osoro for sure mistreated my guy osoro Daniel ngoyo mwake chindwe mochwate chindwe huyo mama ndio atoke aache kuchapa usoro
usoro lazima atachapwa
inubuna moroche season 2 tu atigerete kero usoro akorote ndo ngioroche kera happen season 2 ose nore shwa no aga kare season 2 na bora nyoro usoro gundu irenga atari oronta keire kobera tomorusi wa mapema lakini no ali bona abasacha bande mbale baganiri gwaku go bnosoro
bas wakusumbua abantu
batakeire bachwa tu nali barangaini mweguri
bakusumbua abantu
Maranga is suggesting we add Nyomenda for sure. She will be there. Nyomenda is back on screens now. She will be there. Be sure of that. Atakuwa huko. Muna nari bataya sacha mbere bagosumbua mpaka batakeire bachwa
bataliko take care ye family bagotige family baenda kunywa marubu no sura agakorire bali kunyura ngamba bwata abana babwata umukungu uyu wikaitwe
same way na Kim abakungu muri abakungu mbayo bawita abasasha mbayo bawita abakungu babo ngi arabona musasha atayitero onya ko gwata chinguru muchwate tetubwata inguru nchembwata love timbwata inguru cyo goitoso
lakini nje kama mo display atwale tabi
mi ago kwa nayo ko gosora taraika
na acha gwika mote ucio njira bako moita na mongino mwa ngo basangira mbaese
na rio tamanyete
ko baita bobe
gachoka ndu ndo tara umirana ngosaba sana toshikumirana na season 2 ngosaba aliara manyanga
moite boboya
sidara walionyamaza Douglas out there, I'm happy to see you too, but kuna yule msichana mdogo I don't know her name but anafaa akue hapo please. Nani mdogo ni nani?
Mdogo ni Sabiri.
Sabiri hako?
Sabiri alikuwa sindi anasema anataka akue season 2.
Sabiri na rengo season 1?
Yes.
She was there mdogo.
Sabiri nero konye to sora uchiwengenta.
I think wanaongelea sigara. Ama Maranga unaongelea nani? Yani Douglas. Nani sigara ama Sabiri? I think ni sigara.
Pana Sabiri.
Omwana makotigete skuru I think ni nani sigara. Osoro aliona moto eti Osoro ongitire ngonye huyo mwanamke ni hatari. Oya ni chema somi lesson Revian. I'll teach her a lesson. Tigatora umirana nere season 2 na yako manyana. Nchena bata ya protect with love. Era hago protect ni chindu nche moro ki. Ameact kama mtoto wa Ukiondo. Huyo mdogo ni Nyomenda ya. She will be there. Sai ni mkubwa si mtoto tena. Saa hiyo Omeri tali muana na ande. Ya ongeza antivirus jameni. Antivirus. Timai ngorige in this script but ndigeri anga antivirus momote ya soe gatote igusina ata itukutoka iyo season 2. Yeah, Nyomenda will be there for sure. Nyomenda will be there. That one I promise you. Ora nare ngote anenda na chikuragira. Morocho montongo chikuumiraga abune ko na narire babo mwachturfena baba ke bono nachandekire muno
Karigo chande kokongebereri
ya tigo nyara kokoebere kwa irugo sacho onera kingoko
bono na gutugutwangana bakongumboi
tiga
komo
kobwebwe lakini numuna morocho yebya ni ngosora arachore arachore nchenere bono twarwanire sora nyore bona te konyo yo ngoro chara konyo ramo konyo usirincha konyo
ndani baita ne amisi tago konyo ngo baita komo
amisi out there gesar get back to Osoro real things a true life many are going through a good comedy and educational one. Let Papa get a chance to act and ondande. Okay, that's a suggestion and itaangaliwa. Eric Mbeshate huyo mama amenifanya nimeogopa hata bibi yangu. Niko dosi
urudi Kenya uone bibi wewe wacha
okay onye kore musoro ngiota hakeru irana yo
akura lakini murende family tulikuwa kwaro kiwo bwancha irana tarumo kungu tiga gosori
chengongo akimole kwani mukao na bare ngainu tadi montora ringe igochuate
ochuatungo ya siku hizi rahisi twangainire
onye kare ngainu yo gwachandikire gati for free ebera gabukatari asore tocha bera ya burigia bakwere nimbanto kiba kutoka kasari erigia barabu ebisini ni bera lakini rende otago sanki utashire ko romo kungu
urigia gokorera utari gucakomba
demo gotama demo akonyoro muntu mungao nera akoreki
era tame
asome toro chekero na tige tosoro
akanyora
tai mapema mbuye kuruka
no tiga gotama tiga kobera kunchu choro mokungu.
So apart from adding people baliba misiri ya screen mono inki moroshe totakire commenta as a season 2 inki keri motagete tokore as a season 2. Hello Alkenia, how are you? nkitotakeire mtupe maoni tumanye what to do and what not to do in our next season. Yeah. And timetotera ngona abatere ntiyo kora kwana but timete unfortunate stuck isijui kuimba. Yeah. Meanwhile, tukingoje maoni yenu. Totevi yangu. Mwatebire tomente nyomenda, tomente antivirus, tomente ukiondororo. Oh. Yeah. JD Oga Kasami. Ote gachinche konye abakungu na bobare. Igonche na tigre chinyo.
Ya tinda soka.
Why is everyone running to this side ati onyaba kungu na bobare igo? Apart from ye kwa mbaya. Okay, mwaroche the positive part of her. Negative chia renge chioka chio tandi kosoro amosbuli chianga morugere tali endagira. What about balia baya? Wani nchengwa nyakora no muyande shwali. Ngoja kora ncheno muyande for real. Ngoja kora mnango ebererio soro mpaka liliango serete mpaka liliandete ira abana mpaka liliangoro kilio mukungu onde na ande bado mwanchite. Really. Ebinu mori korora. Tiakurigeri okay, that's part of it. Kuna watu wanapitia haya yenye huyu alikuwa na act na kuna watu wanapitia side yangu unaona. Abantu mbaro banka kunanche na abantu mbaro banka muno soro babuye kainoyo. Mbaro baga ambirita basacha that one I can tell. Kuruwe binyoro mimi nimeona wanawake waikaransirita basacha. Na ande mbaro raba ororo kunanche. Toko ebereria basacha. Tuchandegeti.
Bakweberera omusacha gwatigara gusumbugeta.
Yeah.
Ande mbaro bambuye kaine bari chisoti wayo.
Yeah.
Bagotaka korekebisha omonto by force.
I know me happy, thank you Oga. Hiyo episode yenyu iko poa sana, kwanza episode 19 ilikuwa thank you DJ F Kenya. Maranga Clementa hata ukionda achome nyumba ya Usoro ndio bibi atoke. Also the go back to Usoro.
Sitoki. No, onde permanent. Ngakanire bakachoma.
Oyo basoka le trust.
Tindi basoka.
Moko ngegeni.
Bakachoma ngakanire na ndi nekenyoro. Asta yongochi.
Inumonyare korora. Inde isko gano musacha mungaunti geto Usoro. Te konyarekana. Wiki boy anasema but Gesara I congratulate you. You have a good heart. Thank you. I wish Nikki home nipate wife. Kawe but si huyo mwingine. Huyo wana mwacha mumwanga wakamwambia tayari na bwate family.
Ntanoi.
Evelyn hata amleta antivirus na dem mwingine anaongea haraka haraka. Mmemsahau jina. Kumbuka nita. Wacha beri. Or who are you saying Evelyn? Bibi antivirus ama nani? I think ndio unaongelelea kitu kama hiyo. Yeah, I think aya DJ F hapo tebanga like my mom anapitia hiyo maisha kama ya Usoro. Ati nikaamua kutoroka kutoka nyumbani 207 aki lakini ya mama alikuja sasa hivi mama ndo ako nyumbani. Oh, hiyo ya kufukuzwa. I know most of us we've gone through that. Not only you nani DJ F Kenya. Wengine wetu tumego through that, tumeona second moms wameenda tena, our moms got back home. So ni hali ya maisha. That's why I said the movie is like real life history, yani ni kitu inafanyika sasa hivi Nyoro sai. Yeah, sure. If your mom is back, then just know I'll be back too. So definitely I'll be back. Yeah. Bernard Ogero, I'm watching from Qatar. Napongeza kipindi, tunawapenda sana, tunakupenda pia Bernard. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting us. Yeah, sure. Toa maoni Bernard Ogero, what you need. Douglas Asoti out there which should be also be included. Okay. Eric Mbesha out there Gesara konyora nigo konora tarikendi. No tarikendi na bokonora. By then me I don't fight, I give you love. If you mistreat my love then I leave. I leave you with people like her, then deal with them. Yeah, but it must be added. Okay. Hi Princess Luo, how are you? Yeah, mkwaje? Yeah. So vile nilikuwa nasema venye nani amesema DJF Kenya, watu ni wengi wana go through that. Okonyora labda not only that hauna kids, tobu atiba na pipipi unapata yes, kuna mama mmoja anajifungua tu tuseme wasichana peke yao na culture wa Kisii, I don't know why they believe njema eto mwana no mwana okonyora onyorera baisike bane uro otebuwae mukabisagane. So she has to go away umuntu mungare usikonyora umukungwa gwate
nero koretu yokabero kabisagane nere still
so
usonyora abaisi abura kinyo gokorie ciururi.
If you marked kuna aga kala iningare na tereti soriga nabo toko bantori bya pingo nyora tora abana we can give birth, you can give birth, I can give birth, but we are not compatible, unaona. Yeah, nabo moko menya no muntu moko nyora abana but manyinga ilo tari kuiwana. I think there is a science kitu kama hiyo. Yeah, so the best people can do ni kwenda kwa daktari and they will give birth. Yeah, I don't know hapa mbeleni kama tutazaa na usoro. I don't know. Hi Princess Luo, how are you? Exactly show entertainment Eldoret representative, I like it. Eva nawapenda sana coming with that story for you to act. Okay, tunakupenda pia. Nyaboga anasema watching from diaspora, good work Gesare and your team, thank you very much and thank you for being supportive, thank you for watching our videos, thank you yani for any support, tunashukuru sana na tunawapenda. Stay tuned for season 2. Robina anasema watching you from Saudi. Shosh congrats. Shosh new year. Sasa. Elias anasema I like your episodes, just big up sana Gesare, don't leave Osoro to hang himself and you're giving some families some good advice, keep it up. Thank you very much. Yeah. Hata Osoro kwenda kujinyonga si kupenda kwake. Kuna watu wana go through hard life. Mpaka mtu anaamua tu ai
afadhali ya kufa.
Yange rusio bogema na arosi. Yeah. Revian NDIZI boy anasema I'm watching live from Thika. You guys keeping the flame burning. I'm proud of NDIZI TV. Please the next season play the game along with #Nyariso. I like that one. Director anasikia na script writer. Yeah, Princess anasema Nadia wewe ni wife ya Osoro ama? Yeah, mimi ni wife wa Osoro. Ever since day one mimi ni wife wa Osoro. I don't know in movies, in real life I don't know. Hata mimi sijui. Season 2 I wish antivirus achape season Osoro in case aambiwe aoshe vyombo aite chief ajione then huyo bibi aende kwao ndio Gesare apata chance ya kurudi home. Thank you for fighting for me. Mimi ni mnyonge sina haki. Unaona vile anatosha na akiniweka hivi then I'm done. Like I'm totally done. But can you imagine of this episode where me and her meeting, then we are fighting. Osoro is here. Who do you think Osoro atatetea? Unafikiria Osoro atatetea nani? Hii mkiona vizuri. Kama hatakuwa hapo atatetea nani? Me and her meeting and fighting. Then Osoro is here, boom, atatetea nani? Then Jemond anasema I like your good work Gesare, keep it up. Thank you DJ Kenya, lakini unajua sisi tulipelekwa huko watoto watatu but hiyo mzee alisema sisi ni evident the same case with what happened to Osoro and the
na Osoro na baro getaba ni
evident. Sasa ati sijui hata my sister ako wapi, ati sahi hata unaweza pata tumepatana na yeye hapa taona. Yeah, by the way, and this happens, you can meet with your sister or brother na muone na mji unaona. Yeah, it's the same case ya kutana evident that happened to Osoro and her, my co-wife. Ili happen, huyu amekuja na watoto wawili na bado alikuwa ameacha wengine kwake. Yeah, so Osoro was forced to call these kids his. Yenye akupendelea mpaka akubolita achiga mpaka oyo no mwana montore ngai no komatenga yatingwa kangeta yani like unaona. Yeah, it happens in real life by the way.
Lakini nayo kuna side nyingine unapata watoto ni wativu na wanapenda huyu mzee lakini bado huyu mzee hapo barukeri ndani.
Yeah, it's very rare. In rare cases you can find someone okoroka abana batali abaye na ako proud kusema these are my kids, ako proud kusupport hawa watoto waende shule wafanye nini. In rare cases, but they are good people. They are good-hearted people out here. Evelyn Morage, Sari and your team, congratulations for the good work. Mna make my day even when I have stress with Waarabu na patu nimecheka venye Soro analianga. So aendelee kulia. Hiyo ni nyingine, Soro aendelee kulia. Yeah, me I'll not cry because I moved on. I don't know whether I'll go back there or I'll just stay where I am. Yeah. Keruba anasema ukumbuke chenye walikosana, venye walikosana na bibi yake ndio atakwambia utoke. I don't think that doesn't apply. Anyway, we don't know, let's see in season 2. Mark Daga anasema Gesare I don't know Paul. So mimi ni Edina kutoka Lebanon mbia mono abana bamito. Thank you Edina for your support and thank you for being our #1 fan. Gesare and Osoro, his wife. Okay. In real life, I don't know whether I'm married. Hata mimi sijijui by the way.
Ajielewi.
Yeah, that's what I actually say now and then. I don't know whether I'm married. I don't know whether in real life mimi ni bibi ya Osoro. And atakuja atuambie yeye mwenyewe hapa. Yeah. Revian anasema Gakisho shirende kwara meni Osoro ama bere wewe ni mstingi.
Ya mabere taiyo. Soro mochafu, Soro molevi. Ukiogwa toko Soro mochafu, Soro no molevi. Soro karibu mwako ikira.
Yakire kuigwerere
mwaka nwara. Ono tigato erese nga yago tonchi gocha. Mwaka nwara no tora twese bangi na baya. Ato bange nga yago tonchi gocha tutaramukura.
Nyewe se noro.
Yo no wepandika tigatora bono tora babere nkoi. Tigatora nga yago
tomukore. Una ise wikamukore. Senjo ngosumbwa.
Jeno muntu muya.
Tori muntu muya te ago chieta te anga no muntu muya uri tori muya. Era sana kinje no muntu morevi.
Iga no muya.
Iye no muya pi. Ngokoreke bisheta bi.
Aye.
Muntu ngokoreke bisheta bi goto no muntu muya pi.
Kone no police.
Muntu kona okwebera libuno oyo nero gukungaina. Ni muntu gokwera sasa magosa no muntu morongi. Okay.
Aye babe.
Babe ndivia. Mungwana.
You got that.
Mangana yora ni gotuange sai.
You got that right. Like ya so I babe. Oyo cha kumuroka nganga manga okani. Ono
Hallelujah.
Ono. Cha kutenganisha sioni kama ni huyu.
Abanaona abaimboke sai. Sai.
Nakuano muswate.
Ndio tuko kwa ni kona. Maigatandie.
Maigato bwati?
Na, ya maigatandie. Maigatandie yani kwa.
Kante weke nige kwa bake.
Maigana kundira maene aye.
Nakano kwata maigana.
Ya maigata kundira. Ya.
Gesami ago tereto Osoro motebu nako
Osoro ya.
Oyo bono motebu nako kora museri.
Kendo nangama chibu yorego waseri. Ama chibu 40. Lakini tinta dingo seri ni sisi. No yekore sisi.
Tindi sisi. Kiondo sisi na ndiche mukao. Wakaniri chiombe. Neke nyoro kwanza. Taringa no montoyo. Eke nyoro kwanza. Yago chess.
Babe no kaniri.
Nangu. Chiombe ningakaniro mungwana. Nitendeke nyoro.
She's fighting to get you. She's fighting physically to get you. I'm fighting with love to get you.
Thank you. You are fighting. Mogo fight chinjera chingao.
Mo chesa mbaita mwensi babiri.
Muntu no mugoto.
Mo chesa mbatiringe sai.
Swali ndena kuboli ntaragenda gusoma comments y'abantu. In case season 2 Mobucha will meet nje tume. Unajua we've not met kwa season 1. We didn't meet with her. So probably in season 2 in season 2 we are going to meet probably. Yeah. Most likely, yeah. So nilikuwa nauliza taumiranire nera mono tubwataine
One on one.
osoro cancer otonyore to fight ngago tete
Mwenzi wekara mbakune.
ayora tete
Mama tata tete lakini ni mbakune boss.
Dunia.
watu wawili wakijifunika blanket moja kuachana
Wachana na watu wamefunikwa blanket moja, hata Mungu ndiye aliwafunika.
Jali aliwafunika aliko kama sasa.
Ekarari charari ile.
Actually, Osoro thanks Eret if you watched that movie. Osoro didn't send
Kwanza kwa kama
I
chalia,
no.
kwa chalia kama sasa.
Hiyo ni kawaida
Yaani
yetu.
atajifukuza.
Hiyo ni kawaida yetu
Ngoja
kupigana.
inde kana.
Tena yeye kama
Mosbato ngoja inde kana. Ngoja inde kana Kenya sasa.
Ngande.
Ngoja inde kana Kenya sasa. Je, unandira. Umuntu manyita bwanje nyingi.
Tomanyeti.
Amanyeti.
Ya tomanyeti.
Emia semi.
Tomanyeti.
Mfundishe bwana na.
Ndo wanyara work episode 20 abantu bami. Ndo we are just giving suggestions.
Mfundishe. Mfundishe.
Mabu. Yao ya masomi na kyo bwancha ni boko.
Lakini Nyasaye n'umuya. Kumata singinje. Nyasaye bunariga kumanyare ngaki. Oyo no bweke nyoro, no yo. Osoro, no yo. Oyo no bweke nyoro. Onyago goita no bweke nyoro.
Ona chiesa maneke nyoro torana ke kombate singo.
Lazima tumenye kinyoro.
Lazima
To kungana utanitendea kinyoro kayogo cha wote.
Sio moile town.
Nyumbani ni nyumbani. Wote kaya
kali
monga ikali.
No no ngo sambo bole mugoro, ngo sambo.
Kende nke yayo ora ile krasi.
Para tu modo tai.
Krasi menora ile.
Moswadi dai wasa.
Yeah.
Ako bie no mundo. Kwa itiraba. Para itiraba.
Iyo korete tabia mbere masti anyore discipline. Discipline ndali bo bekero monta kwa ewa.
Yeah. So as I was saying, Osoro is here. Namona if it gets to happen in the next season, if it gets to happen that you're going to meet with her, then trust you me, he will definitely go with me. He will, despite everything that happened in season 1, he still loves me. I still love him. And this was just faking love for the sake of her children to get where to.
New link. Some link. Aumbu ya sinjo. Ninta ketoro kana uno mwenenu. Nchendo kana unando.
Muchande.
Mwana mwete vere.
Muchande. Noro muchande.
Ndango sketi nande. Ano mwe. Ono rotate device. Sena kong.
Sense.
Zamani ndio online ni. Ngorotate ya uzengo nyali chakigana. I'm not
Heavy.
Bora kana
Ono mono atinde. Ono soro karati, ono ngyo kotindira. Baka nawal.
nje jina utinda so mwana usino mu komo mwana bebe jina udin. Bebe jina udin. Rotate the device. So we ignore the rotated device. I hope it's not reflecting on your end. So we are sharing the same link. Kanda baburi kena Kenya sai. Samana wako soma comment kuruga. Never no kubetereribu. Never no kubetereribu. Never ngane bikona biko kole kanesi. Umukungu guita bunuyu. Eri. Kinyoro yanje.
Makinande tiana pia rotate anaona. In real life kuna wanaume uchapa mabibi zao. Why do you find it hard mwanamke kuchapa mwanaume? Why? Why do you find it? No, I'm just saying, babe. I'm just saying. Why do you find it hard kutetea
Tinka ya antarajo yogo sana.
Mwanamke aki.
Mbona inakaa ngumu? Jitetee basi.
Soro ngwari
Mimi mnauliza.
wachanganya na ngana husuni.
Nzone sara karega. Sara ko
Sara
ka.
kene
Au
ngeke
wakati
sara.
biara jimyoro ngam.
Kene nge yara kole sara.
Ngenda ngira.
Namute. Sara kirubaba ta chisi gani genda chiko nyome kogera Sio Sora alikutafuta, ulitafutwa na ukalipwa.
Matabi kuru saranyang.
Ama kongu ayo. Na nyakorora etie kenyoroke wao akanira chiombe hivyo. Yeah, mwanaume ndiye anafaa kulipa chiombe.
Ikire kuonga nonde. Kenyoro ikire kuonga kanene.
Nyata akobera ntokumutire nyombe.
Tanje koboko konje nere.
Even suspecting mpaka bwate relationship ni chiwe.
Gongo bera bakara.
Ngatia komodote. Umuntu ori nomo. Na kichiwe umuntu
ja kwa. Chiwe ndo sitemuna no mwana muyo mwana muitebera mwana utaringana mwana musasiroti.
Jaymond mwana pastor anasema Gesare Osoro anakupenda wewe ndio atatetea thank you.
Asante Raymond. Ndate barene na wewe.
Ngana nene wewe atatetea tole kama.
Teddy niaje Mr. Osoro na Gesare we are good. Yeah, we are here with my co-wife. Shana.
Nanda abalirete abaliyadaro mwene abantu bali bakona wakira Gesare nae abantu bali bakona wakira Gesare simikale nae motige. Let me tell you ato no
te como bwata igonda ikaransa storage kwa omo bwata kinano kwete kwa
ande wache to wake biara chichirangi
kwana.
Yeah, so tulikuwa tunasema umlete suggestions on who you want to be in screens next time in season 2 na mwenye amtataka akue kwa screen. Watu wakasema wakasuggest Antivirus, wakasuggest Okiondo, wakasuggest Nyomenda, wakasuggest Nyareso. Yeah, and then what do you want us to do in season 2 or what do you want us not to do in season 2? Yeah.
What Jenny manya tegen to chiko kodakana. Ko jinda kongento mo.
Yaro manyire ngo chiare go kill.
Ngio tale kongentera ditangani ko boyete.
Tar kongente kawa angi kemu.
Ko boyete.
To ko mondangire. Hey. Alla.
Karaiga mo subati oyo. Si no ngai. Bia. Tava sen.
Seito.
Kera ora tira cheneri bot na nyarda kinde nyo embure tuete korata rumu. Ando wata wana wanda.
Iko kana to kombolisito.
Clax da sijui kansio agonte Gesare, can you get into character just a sneak peek please?
Sneak peek. Jam peek na inchen go get into that. Indo siegen. Oade ya mbako nalete bune kwende.
I get into character.
To lakini to ngaka.
Kesi na kupigia.
Ile character.
Yeah, so umeniambia ni get into character.
So everybody will get into character when Gesare gets.
Yeah, I cannot get into character alone, you know. Tacheka tu. Tacheka hapa mshangae so. Ango chake. Well, okay. I'm getting serious now. Are you sorry? Ndio plan tuko sari mkungwa kwa nyumba yako.
Mama teke sari mkungwa tata.
Na kuboriri swali ndio plan tuko sari mkungwa kwa nyumba yako.
Sina kinko tata kwa sari kanga kwa.
Ingoba note takomanya inshote takomanya na inche sono mkungwa. Na ndio tata mwana.
Tindikoro.
Na rostro ko korre nyumba yega tari na agachire.
Yo kwana na hero imundo.
Tindikoro.
Gesare is losing it.
Tindikoro. Nonde.
Well, I can get into character anywhere.
No, you lost it.
Yeah.
Anyway,
I can.
Mwate ke banda asante kwa hiyo.
Where are you from?
Niko chata no na batebi asante. Ano yogata to wachi koligito ta uita konyoranjira.
Ke karamonga ateme chando bakoro moja komera na mwezi babira senta hiyo.
Ona eresa abantu yenda bako eresa. Batebi ai.
Ati nimeshika kiuno.
Wantu wami no mbiamono, wantu wami into. Mbiamona singe chomwa ile na into. Kuruchinga kieji chonse ngoteso. Na tesiru. Maya nana ko watabanda kana usengaine. Nana ko ibora na isire na ruri.
Tebo bomaene.
Usina kiki ngote. Moko ngengera ro.
Tebo bomaene.
Bobanchiri noyo.
Obiare te isiko lakini nyomba tukwana kuibora bate isiko ngo biaro.
Igo nyombe shidere.
Onye isiko biara.
Shida te yo nyomba yakora na inshe ninye bwatera nere shida.
Igo oyo ligiri korusu ko twiwe no nekerenta ne babweka ina abana. Bas. Soro ngora biare rwali.
Ochande kirengo libono tadi wote ngori hango.
Ya mono tomera nenga changa. Na nyore me chandira ne menga kego tomera chinga kindi. Ani asa.
Ano soro nali no muchando oyo ndo ligiri ne korusu. Wana abana bonsi osora bwatane birenta no soro tali kuibora ne liteba.
Zile kwa napigiwa hapa sare rudi yo mwanamke hao. Kwanza alitoka wapi?
Nonde kwetu nilitoka kwetu nikakuja kutoka wapi sini
kwa soro ulikuwa unajua soro hifadhi.
Nikakuja sinili nikakuja nikapata ni molevi.
Kwanza mbia bantu kusigana na.
Yesigana utenere ngikukani.
Ya. Chege ntomete sigana monto mokebu no soro tari kusigani.
Ya.
Mcheno mwana.
No mwa korure tio tari kutete kuibora.
Baby class.
Ngino yo soro kusigana usually.
Yo.
Bueno, agama na no ligere ngaki.
They go together.
Engot.
No Maria muete. Kuna.
Yeah, korukareke usi omuntu gusiganeru no
omuntu ligire
omugaka obeire richara yani mwenye
kasosora be richara
no
tabe richara na richara ya maruli meta maruli kuiba chingo ko chia bantu res kunyure changa
kusina ngare to
so ekero montago siganeru nekera abeire omogotu yani akorete runaba no ebono bata abana babere nande babere bareka 4 atakere ko liga kagete ligo chigokwa atige go bole ebana bwako liga sabana babe
oyigo to mwaka takweti obibwati okwa
mo go ta bando kwaka
that's what you want oteta sabana bao bako
ano mwaki
muswati mwa baba motebetine ki anyora sabana bako biko mutu right bona yote kero liga kwanza mugako olie chief na mugwenera net oyo
mwake taguko
asenga yo muntu atake tomo ataba kubeka muntu nja kan sacrifice anything banyora so bakubeka
tomotigere nyombeli
tandi nyombeli ya ikazi ye bwate chime mari chinge goro yaito ndo kumotigera tomotigito to korega mutari gusumu kirimate kure chokor mate tanto bara osali
angane nyombeli to kwa gache ni gwasare kiri
mala to kororende no bole mukera no wade jiwe
tigogo chabo mogo kwana kindo
kostobarusia sisi
tigogo chabo mogo kwana kinda
mogo chabo to kwane
yo kwano bochafu
nando bete kinsa mono chi golden
what tigogo kwano bochafu kinda
actually anya tata itukwenda ere no muchifu ngo kwana bale kando ye tent ara no muchifu akumwagachira tedia se omungi nambu yore right wende ulifanya usora akaanza kukunya pombe ojo.
Thank you.
Osoro kwa nyora mabera mnalita male. Ukikumbuka nilimpata akiwa mlevi kwanza waitwa kama ya madeni. Ingia alikuwa anachapa ya madeni. Alikuwa mlevi tayari.
He was not drinking.
Na waitwa kana madeni yanywele tamba.
Between the two criminals. Which is a lesser criminal? I mean a criminal kenoyo. Omuya.
Really now? Okay.
Ekero na anya na kanyure tinyore lakini amangana nginyore tyo
konyu ekero so igari tanga ningo itule bako muchifa wakanira lide otindete
igo itari makosa sana otindete
igo na kojeta koromolevi jetingere tyo be molevi era kojeta koromolevi
igwa para tukeri okondigeri igo mwana na isiyo maikota
moto chafka yoko moira
lakini ende na
abasacha mbaro manyete tigatwara esobo mai nabasacha mbaro banke buno osoro batata itigwesi yani kumoraire nere borere necho oraire necho borere
that's not the right way of the sacha ona
kiramba resa bakusacha mbaro bakungu mbaro ska basumbo gete bo
bwateria mache nyabeke back motena ki
mondane roche areta mache erutero mo
aba kungu aba bo aba
chi
toigwana
igoi
aba kungu mbaro bachandigete ara ire bolero ogosinyo no eno gonchoka ayenjo omonta agotio kabunecho anywete changa agotio kabunecho
na basacha mbaro bachandigete bakunywe changa singi chaba kungu bachandete na kibago kyo karama
osoro ana manyorete karo more bitayara tindete
motigaye
bakabwata madeni akwaka neruye changa
motige ga
osoro ko ibe chingoko ochikuni
mbadali kwa nini ndola kusinwa kandra kokwana nje na koliketi
Thank you.
Na kulgere tigo lakini ngatanganya neli chara. Asekio kona koganya.
Awenjo kwanja lija.
Otena wete monto mungaini kana no monto li konongo.
Di konongo kyoko kwamero.
Ting tiba no bole muboka na target. Niko target ngai nguko ira igaenda sikisana.
Yo kongira.
Ona mmoja amesema hapa wakati alikuwa na Gesare alikuwa mtu mzuri lakini umefanya Gesare
Gesare ngia kono kuna akili ayo kuna akili shauri ya.
Agomadaha.
Kyango tebe kana jinji na kolige. Titimka manyinga.
Ngeti lakini na aligeti gutingia.
Onyese to manyinga tayo marabuna.
To ngeti lakini na aligeti kunonde.
Thank you.
Tiga como kwata yokinda. Kwebete. Tiga kweba kinda.
Otakanya go protect. I need to look for my gems. I'm protect. Yana bagwa common. Yo.
Kyango tebe kana ngi to kwa kro mo ni ta jitina. Chenga ko mo tabinga ko mo.
Yo ta ongo.
Ebitina tanje. Ebitina tanje.
Yeah, so my people, that's like you can see some season 2 in this small talk. You can
I want her to die.
Gokutindi gokwa. No, bantu babemba na gokura isiraisi.
Let her die.
Bantu babemba na gokura isiraisi.
I'm still taking
no jeno mazo.
Ya jitindi mobe. Jeno muyo mwana pasta. Amwana nende to soro
bole.
I'm still taking your suggestions.
Abayana bainse.
Inki motete tokore season 2. Geta akore to season 1, osenki gi akore to season 1, motete keme in season 2. And then I'm still taking your suggestions on who you want on screen next time. Not next time actually.
It's this week.
Yeah, this week. Who you want on screens? Watu wamesema Nyumenda, wakasema Okiondo, wakasema Antivirus, Nyareso.
And they asked for Nyareso.
Yeah, they said Akwe. So Morante binki mogane titokore eki onye kwa watch my first wife from episode 1 to episode 18. You can tell. Na boko tebanga aga mo akorete bia, mo kore bia next time. Yeah, like that. If you watch now, if you've not watched still na boko and this life itakuwa bado hapo, you can still give us your suggestions after you've watched that. Yakora to watch kubwatira my first wife season 2 nchera.
Yeah, make sense ya sorry.
Ndote na bongo muntu bwire redio lakini.
Ane ready. Ncheko chanage chukua na haya SS sababu ya moyo. Ukukwa na bune ready. Kuma tendere kwa ngomane tinga kin. No anayo kunja kwa ngambia kwa chite. Tani ngambia kwa chite. Lakini ona na sugumete.
Wachukunywa mama.
Ndire kwa ngomane ti ngiretega. Kwa ngomane like 60 minutes continuous. Kwa ngomane ukona mara ngomane tinga mara seto.
But that's not me in real life.
Nkikyo bwana. Aya no montomo beni manyete. Ani omuya. Obwato bwanjani lakini asere diaro no bwete.
Okay, Jmond, I took that down. Season 2 antivirus as kose. Nande onye kore na bagoshe kwende as antivirus ache gato tempere usinate toka season 2. Amonte rend sure yo mo ore ready kutoka season 2 is Nyumenda. Okiondo. Yeah, those one niko sure. Yeah, so Jmond unaweza share live kwake, akiingia hapa kwa comment section atatuambia kama atataka Osoro ask huyo mwanamke nani alimleta, atujui itakuwaje wause samba naona.
Swali nzuri, utausaje samba? Utausa samba yenyewe
China na mama na kuna wenyewe.
Samba lazima ningepatirisha watoto wangu wapate mahali pa kukaa. Samba nayo ni lazima ningepatirisha kwa sababu Osoro achierewi.
Ni samba rako kwani?
Achierewi vizuri.
Douglas Nyamoya Sabiri was there in season 1.
And she'll still be there.
Yeah, she'll still be there. Yeah, alikuwa na atakuwa. Thank you for that.
Sabiri are among the people when you play very integral roles.
Yeah.
Na pia Kebwese, pia watu kadhaa pale kama Nyabindo. They were very crucial.
Yes, of course, Aki Douglas, I deserve a good man. Nilivumilia sana. How many times have I called you Maranga Clementa Gesare Mbuye, please? Yeah, I'm good. Away from the comment section. Osoro ngoe. Bono, bante bilingo kwa dabune
radio. Radio kake.
Ane workman.
Amerete radio nda.
Ane workman.
Na bango kwa na kurbono baka mangi. Irangire.
Taringa.
Osora aratoteri.
Taringa gukwana kwana.
Okay.
Kwana kurubona bakamanyi.
Ingiboda gokanira osoro tatoka season 2. Toke chibuye. Totoke noyo ntutweka babe.
Mokara kibo.
Ndaitoyo akeigone.
Wikanganya kuri mu.
Abo yo gakyo otigeru oyo.
Okay, talimon. Okay.
You are joking, man.
Mamba. Karama ko. Nali ako appreciate na mo brother.
Yeah. And according to the people, personally I'm talking about the people who have watched my first one. Nere buya. Okay, buno yaroro totebe na pekire kuira na mwani. Nere buya tochikobera nere. Nini nimekwama hapo. Ntomenya nere moroche. Osomo ntoyire ochinyama chiatonyire mu amambuika.
Ibitinya. Nande moroche ase bitinya.
Oyo nkene ngey.
Na maugara sambi.
But let them try me in season 2. Actually, I don't want to say much.
Again, tugende ndata gogo. Abasacha mbali ziko gari bango so banga buna
bachandike tebuno so.
Kuna nini nimesoma hapa huko ya whatever DJ F Kenya.
Kuna F Kenya hapa pale nini?
Yeah. Wako. What he went through.
He himself.
Na familia yao ya. Wako. Mbaroro bachandire abasa nande mbaro badisave tuko chandwa, that I know. Nande mbaroro abapole mono bago chandwa with some women who unajua mimi siwezi tetea wanawake, siwezi tetea wanaume, but naweza tetea sana wanaume personally. Mimi mwenyewe juu I've seen some men who go through what Osoro goes through. I've seen some men who go yani ebinte binge wetanye byo Osoro ko go through. Yeah. Chi family chi nyinge isko gaiga ndo watebe chi town ebinyoro abantu mbabwate ni chando we ebira mambi tubeta mange omuntu abasoka isko gaiga bare ne wife they can smile isko ga batia baira nire nyumbe ye butuko busense yonzo molembe toyo mi siku moja I promise kushika kitu hivi nishare na watu wangu na mafans wangu because this is going on as ebinyoro byeito. Yeah. Like I said, we act some things which are in real life. Yeah, even to inspire some people. Most of our fans calls, mostly tukiwa na Osoro. Whatever. Mchenete ile igana. Lakini akirongo watch, ngorora na kingo bande. Yeah. So there are a lot of people who go through what Osoro goes through. There are a lot of women outside here who want to have kids, their own kids, but they cannot manage to have them. Mbali ba wetera, you get Sarah wetera in acting, but ishindwe in real life. Mbali ba wetera, the same things I go through in my acting, who cannot give birth. Na kuna wanawake, yes, they can give birth with their men. Au bamenyete na barabu. But mbara amanye shida yabo nirili. Me what I can say ni torora abanyagitari tu amanya mapema na kingo nyaratora abana gusinto riko nyo mwarolire. Amanyinga tariko iwana gusenki kegendrete ya. Number 3 bakungu bali bankoyo. Bange elie yego itere ma.
Elie ntine neko nyorora kiniege kone.
Bali bankoyo iga by the way they want to rule. Batete wanakanya chapati. Yeah. And that's not the right thing to do. A man is the head of the family.
Thank you.
For a momosacha, that's stupidity of the eyes, what I can say. Mosacha na be kiale, you have to respect this man nanaki. Nere omotowenka. Yeah, you have to respect the man. The same na ndengira nega iga.
The link ngawas neli. Same link. So you can keep sharing. Na wakanda kwa share link hiyo. Na wadima nyoranga wasei trafunja wana ndebe asoka, you can still maintain we are on the same topic. I am observant. Oko kubije karo kwa kumoza.
Abasacha mbaro lakini tindigo. Tindigo kwanza.
Karante ayoko.
Tindigo kolino kwa timo masakorenga lingana bonde tindigo mwane. I'm a loving and caring mother.
Yeah, not mother. Are you a loving
and a wife too? I'm a mother and a wife too.
Are you a caring and loving wife?
Yes. bas bono tigamba erese abasacha mbaro bakonyora abogete getuko akaenda goteni para wakorwe para onyora omonto moira marumo nyoma kagocha marago bogosabia nyama surely kayokorusia nyama yomwe asing'incho tagoreti naye kwende ekonda buna bana motorero ore 200 kwanyora aka 200 gwaturira abana kwanyora agasuguma abana baragire mambi bokore kibokire basacha buna abutika barekebisha abasa kungu mbarona barabu babekire buya lakini bako mistreat abasacha abara nyoro musacha otari kebe pokoikeria asoganeti lakini ngokora arasa kunyara siko musacho tiga gukora ibintu ebibe ko saba sacha na kuchayo musacho gose komorabo eshimo mabona zenu soro mtano angora moita soro mtano
Wana na wara zangi na ende
talingana
nanda una kirubate vire awa sacha mbari wako ausaba subati mbari wako goka nkairita. I know a number of people in life wako feel satisfied abakungu wako wanakalia wanaume kento keri nchekorengana na nche verdict ya nene ringa ke Nyasaye atunge to musacha no mukungu musacha katabi wancha mukungu katabi submit osesika musacha tari lazima umwanche mono musacha okomuzika igende
musacha agwanche lakini usoro ngo nganje tebori na ngoita to nganje lakini ngoitera
na ubwancha ni ogoligi nengira maskani ogoligi igendo ke kora to mani to kwetana no ne ringa atagete mwanche timwanche atagete ntake tansike akonkongonga ona ndigira kogenda mo ozongo mani rio kanga nya Karena jadi nyomba ada orang ada ya senar waka matobori kota itu story nasanya yo tega guna di tobori dinde dua sama tobori nyora di tobori dinde nyom. Anyway, so my point is abasa chambaroro batakire there is a broad spectrum yani abasa mwenye bantu ne kitabichi nyingi to bwate kirabe wide in a way that we cannot handle them all, but to handle abantu bari katikati ya bari normal torate tari criminal uno na tari criminals una basacha buno soro but abantu bari don't ride on your wife's weaknesses ko get into what the society thinks about you and your marriage. Society take control. Watango nyorora abana ustori konyora uyumuka whether nkomurwani ore ngosenkweta na more tali physically na bantu barwana whether nkuma na more bagabwakia kwarara 2 hours kwaboka lakini onye moko boka mwamina ndoko rozerecha usumwa find a way to abana baende school na mwera na there is no nchirate yo mora atware perfect marriage iringa made in heaven none chinyangi chikore chikani chiwale chishida so katoko kunyoranga chishida nchiro in marriage but you still can handle them amokunyara kuando living to bigenda tase chikwende chenu modali ko tigeke nyorogo sabantu bari sikobaje
bamanye chisiri chain
alafu baba affect bono ene kwari kuomana boka osomwara ko sindogo tukobo mo discuss mujaga kurwana onye mwara kurwana jingundi choka mujaga kubukora nimeyo ni mwara kubukora nimeyo montachi agore bunduki
akoro monto
so in short nyomo yago tekubekana yane nyomo yoyo tekubekana ya nyarebe tago copy tago ngaki yane takire ko ne ya nyarebe you have the power and responsibility you can make your marriage work. Unanda bwate marriage a responsibility you can make ya nena gesare work. I need not to blame Kenyoro baro jenga na asari bakarete mu bakande litinge
ni more ndere Kenyoro.
That is what is right from Kenyoro's perspective. Lakini nje ngaina renge bake binde bionzi bigapo ngena renge bake bionzi bigapo ngina tabetike sare kyo moerio kera agotama namo tetinga rumo kendwara
chako
poni hapo baadaye.
sai.
So in short, your actions today Emora kaya ko serio yugwate kusuko kutaka kuligi aba pastor gete bago konye kusaba tule gete bago konye, you think you will get into a better space, but maybe what you have is as good as there can be. Yani ngende kyugwate gendo ngiyo maybe kyako bweki igo kito some kuru asimegani yeto jatwate Yokonya go rengera ringase nyarebe bagocha baka chibi cha Facebook baro kananga bari perfect bakora TikTok
bari nabo batari kurara bakoma na bakabwakise
yo mogenda ukiyo none ucha
bakoma na bakabwakise,
lakini rende mbuyo musacha mbuyo mukungu wako musacha naona
yatari kuigunga kyo komokora
ai baba nchina kakotete ile
tara gotete ago kungai naye
Nyuma ntara kuona ng'aonteteire nyuma ntara kuona ng'aonteteire
na what defending
nyuma ntara kuona ng'aonteteire ndete korateba iga my director is here and is getting this. People are saying before you start uploading the episodes tufanye mistake tufanye last time. Thank you and we rectify on that.
And on behalf of the director, because unajua hizi kuja hapa kwa kamera ajibu, we really apologize. We were doing umwanji turuena part 2. I know you know where you can find it, and we'll give you more information tonight or tomorrow maybe. Ekaratua uploaded episode nyingi. Utakasangi you're responsible. Who is not the director in fact? You're responsible kasangi ngobekire byonse binge. Kumbe nera sa kubeka baka 18 akanyoro irolere bibere. But we apologize. And please don't make us sweat more on apologizing. We know we shouldn't make mistakes. We've come a long way, but to understand mono, we become even better.
So, bono tigangira neri no sora boli neri biyo moswati wako musasho.
Modende kwa ndio ngana wako.
Yes, I can finish. Relax. Yeah, neri biya moswati wako musasho. Nande neri biyo musacha wako muswati we. Nande ndete abasachi saidie. Teri biya muswati wako musasho we. You have yani nande niseme aje abasacha nabu bari abavas ndotake kuba kubaka haya umusasha wako mukungu, it depends with ingyo mukungu wako kwarari. I remember one time mtu asote live na wenzangu wenye sahihi wako hapa tukiwa tena NDIZI TV ngateba iga into togo trigger abasacha watu wake na bakonya okay na basacha na barabu gokora pare ntiri ko na iga ngani riri life na ko iga ne upatide yeah into togo trigger abasacha watu wake in which ways. One, abakonya musacha na agosete pi ndobwati nkwana bakungu ndobwati nkwana to approach ri musacha kumuboli rigosa akorete na ndo tori bwangu kubolia magosa saba sacha tutara confirm mama magosa yabo nje personally ntonda atebe umusacha keratu akiri nabo to kwirengera linga aroge genche nagero kora kungaka ekero kwanyorira umusacha ne rigosa injira ne roko mu approach. You don't approach the man instantly no,
you don't become a man. You don't come like a man.
You look for ways to approach your man kumuboli rigosa abokocha nande naboko kole bintu gito musacha akorana ki enyewe na agose iru muntu na omore nyombe yamo you can do this onya kweboli ekengia nyakobai and then ero manyene will apologize. You don't force your man to apologize in a relationship or in a marriage. You don't force your man to apologize. Onya kago taka apologize sawa. If you cannot apologize sawa. And then into togo sukuma basacha baitogo cheat. Mono nche na sugumito soro mpaka agachikonyoroyo nche na musugumite mpaka agachikonyora banchiri. That's in acting, that is it. But in real life still we women force our men to cheat. Number 3, abasacha na barabu mobu atirate yogo cheat at whatsoever cost. If you cheat, make sure your woman doesn't know you are cheating. Na anda bakungu tia kueligeri korana na ki don't smile. Ya kueligeri tia kwirigeri orore ngo musacho ngo chitia tia uchakori ngantete korora musacho nenga kuchiti nerenga kora unajitafutia na tutapigwa. That makes sense kupigwa.
And if you dig up that, if you like unataka kujaribu kutafuta uchafu kwa relationship yako, definitely utapata uchafu.
Yeah. So let's not trigger them. Tukiheshimiana kwa relationship musacho unaona karago chita kama tena kiwa mokungu onetamanya kwaro. That way you respect hakoete. Yeah, for now na araba teteire igorenda basasha next time toko umera nenka kwa ya minto ndoko kwa niraba kungu.
Tinta tukwa ndaba kungu lakini before tukwa kwa ndaba kungu era mungu ingerete ga even the ratio ere nyinge tumatu.
Toko ingerete mpaka kerango toke saidi ya basasha.
Ani chisigadi chiri nyinge kwa we tirong lakini ana. So another point very important in marriage or in relationships. Nkuiro ra kera nanye kwa nandika. Tago copy. Anye yana na gazare ke ko to kuoma na to
yumba.
Tere razmi yake yumba.
Anyane bakorore jirani yawe akobogori gwikere weekend familia yayo nyire outing tia gotakubo kimobo. Maybe musacho utakobeka ikoro teki anyare. Tia gotakubo kimobo naye. Menyobo kimabuao.
Ngandira makosa ako onye gotagete umuntu unanje ngonya matoke daraja mabisi teli matobu kwanza nande organiti ngugurire gozini Lamborghini ase birthday yao. You are attracting a wrong class, a wrong social class in life. Onye gotagete kugurire Lamborghini, make sure you might know what the means or what it takes to attract people like Jason Statham, Kiefer Sutherland, Tom Cruise. Abantu bunabu. Kero attract such class. Na bo complaining kyo tarairwe. Dani, kono kero complaining osoro tarako kora ramogini ona ye.
Akonya matoke ga kine changaroche.
Chike ndonda ko korre kenne pi. Okure ganjo bune ringo reto. Na di talk to komis. Like understand your class, be conscious of your environment, be conscious of who you are dating or you're in love with. So jago ko imagine ibinto asingenjo no kwata basali mwa somete na warabu bako iruchi gari birthday chao.
Ai bono tagete.
Yana bono tagete samora wate si. Ya tene.
Ai no tagete.
Yana bono tagete ka konekebe. Ngawano na ayo ko riwe Benz. Nekero tara gorre benzi. In fact, no nekero mbwate chivezo na wanda gorre benzi. Sinta gorre talk keri nene ko bweli konyara. Singe you don't inspire, you don't motivate. Ko gorre talk keri. Aseki. Onye tu wate shite chi weekend mo. E weekend da den ko ile out. Liki kebe. Ndro kananga ko bribe ko nganja.
Como cuando
Makata hiyo sauti. Tunaimba poa wewe usikii basi yako iko na nini?
Baby.
Sikuchapa tena.
Dancing in the rain with you between my hands. Listening to a beautiful song. I am underneath my soul. Darling, you look beautiful tonight. Aku mau tengah no
Osoro asomo kungo ya rusirike sale, asomo kungo ya rusiri osoro.
Ndaisi.
Twarura ronya koinyorete.
Onye koinyorete. Twarura ronya koinyorete.
Wewe utaveriki sijui kuimba.
Sorry fanya mambo.
Sijui kuimba. Mimi nataka gesara. Okay. Thank you. Twarura.
Unataka mtu wenyewe?
Hello babe, mimi nakutaka single, niliwaambia niko na church, niko na wedding gown, niko na suits, niko na wanaume, niko na wanawake wa kumashi, niko na kila kitu.
Ni wewe tu umeniisi.
Tu. Mwanaume bwana. Hiyo yeye.
umwanjima tena ko kongite yuko tori mo
Mate bunando muya.
Kongosera mole, na
Ate buno mongi no yego ngole tando setim.
mambole atwenyoe
What's going on? Mwana ni mwana comment bose mu watere tinga no comment. Kongosera mole ke mane kongosera mole. Ni mate ngae kongosera mole yes.
I'm now back to the main stream. See you guys can have the
You can do what?
have it.
Jobu anaongea kama Joe.
Amen. So now that
Anaongea kama Mkumba.
unaongea kama baba.
Unaona ndio bwana.
Akai.
Wewe
Unaona bwana mnera. Okwenda.
kwenda kwa menda.
Ngo bwana.
Wane kumbe.
Onya tongo lele.
Bwana ningo.
Wane kumbe singi kwa wera makumba kumba.
I sweetheart. Aya bwana. Instagram hose.
Comment ya bwate ba ndio huyo hapa chini. Yani exactly ka John ndio hapa chini tena.
Ayengina karonga nkwana kwa jabali.
Yani njoreka njengo parangana.
Ndio hiyo hapa.
Ngaraniga. Ayengina.
Aya. So guys, pole kwa sababu the mainstream na that's bari bako bwatige sana actress on TikTok. Thank you. I can see 42 of you and a lot more of you on YouTube. Biamono tore chinse mo chons on the gansu kika singi tora rakana tu. Elineka
50.
so again to koraneke abantu ba TikTok kurmunari abantu ba YouTube, we really appreciate you. Nanda tutako kike video kiko chomo wetu na bato tikara TikTok, lakini for YouTube I think tumeshinda na nyinyi for long, so tutako kikiomo wetu. But before that we need to move away from our characters. Balito live na Osoro, ilitalia na Steve Momanyi, na ilitalia ono waka
Swin Henry.
na ilitalia
I'm Judith.
Judith Maria na
Judith Kirubu.
Nande Kirubu. Nande kuanga in real life, nande kuanga sijimu.
Mo masa ko nganga tindi waita wasacha.
No mkungu mu yaba ideni.
Nje no mukungu.
Nande no tolegete bai.
Nende dintolegete, ninkorete nyangi nimbwato musacha na abana.
Wala tigango interview asengencho ye papa sie last session tugate ye show ye. Tigango interview ake ko nganje. Bueno, Judith Kerubo, nekiwa inki kia toka chaka kwa so acting, and how long have you been around?
Acting na bali robona no mwako wochi kwera. Bunandega nje Judith Kerubo. Nimbwata abana, nimbwata musacha, nimbwata nechinta kana nkurenda. Aba my brother na aba my sister. Nkurenda.
Like able to tell you one your sister and your brother para gotigra wana
Bakwete.
mama sileta para gotigra wana abana ba mu brumino bare
Batatu.
abana ba mu suatime
Balenge babere yo magako agatigara yo.
Onde kwa trante maganari. It is a deep story. So na maboka ubare
Agwa bale. Umwana w'umunene ari university, yo my sister, Kabarak University. Yo my brother yo mogari Esusu form 3. Yo ndali Ryokindo Girls form 1. Nanchini mbota bana.
Wana wata wao. Ono ini gasi nyingi kumbe gasi nyingi sana nande kora airumu na biashara. If I'm right to say this, a small scale business.
Tari biashara bya maana ngokora ikintu ekenje songete. Biashara ngokora ne byomena, omena nkoni daraja mbili.
Oh yes. So nakibono kumanage kurinda abana bawo ne mwakongasi hapa.
Mwaka ona ngokora ninge gasi na public works, lakini kuru corona gasi yakaya. Kono takwati gasi.
Yone asola wa kaya de. Nakibono mukunyara kwa afford kurinda chintaka ni chimotigire 5 of them. na wana wa 4 alafu na wana wa
hapo kimogo kong lakini rende abagotokonya gosuki oyo ratwara omoyo bogwancha na bagonsupport sing'encho ya abana abo sing'encho barobwo obogima na obokong'u sana korenda abana abo bonsi.
Judith Kerubo isari naona ngoma magana jigen to manye tengeri ngaki yaba jenga no wata wana baon alafu no watu mwana yo mo ukorenda ndamanye ti nama tengane family orphan child lakini rende ona na manyire it becomes a matter of concern for all of us. Nyuma kutora entra ko kwa story ya to manyenga kutora nye shughuli kile ko sena kutora involve abantu bamintu barega online to support support aye korenda kikatana kesara na no montore apart from being there
But from kama mwiko dio minto.
Ande ba tanga mwiko dio minto nege
Kere chakere nyasi.
Kile kinde gemine doa. What's what they make na no mundo ko singe sa.
Nje no mo. Just swing hand in real life.
Kana ndio yake. Aningo.
Swing bueneri. A teacher by profession. Nguate degree ndari gotumeka.
Degree in education.
Yeah, I have a
English
degree in
Swahili.
Swahili and
Swahili and religion.
Naitwa arts.
Arts,
Yeah, Swahili and
Bachelor of
religion.
Arts.
And yeah. Ita mego na business niko sagia. Na ara kirego. Yeah, lakini rende ninga buno monto ndasomi abana baino na ara bwatokitake go I want to do something else in my masters, so yeah, but I hold a degree in it. To me, ukiona job yenye si ya kufunza, tell me, but teaching now.
Again, to kiro ronda de hotel, kusuko kuyura kino manye tenga. Kwa very the kind uko represent eva subati bali bakoro kana bare enduring in relationships na bakoro kana ngabara make best of families. How much difference there is
between me and
you and Gesare. Especially on one to stay bakoro na positively ngaki ano motora ora ko inspire abantu to maintain family ko so value family na aya someone ayo mwenye na Gesare swim Henry.
Yeah, so mwanzo nianze, kuna watu walikuwa wananiuliza, most of the people ask me, kwani wewe ni kadogo hivi na kwa nini unaonekana mkubwa? Sijui what happens, sijui what changes, like time think kiago change na kuwa mkubwa in screens na kuwa mdogo in real life. Maybe dressing code also. Swin is not far from Gesare. Okay, kuna bit changes kwa nini kwa real life, but mimi si mbali sana na Gesare. If I'm not wrong.
If you are not wrong, it's your story.
Yeah. So mimi I'm the same person. Tukitoka kwa script tuingie real life, I'm just as good as I am in the screens. Yeah, that is what I can say.
Oh, yeah, so we're gonna go in real life na bongo ba.
In real life na bongo ba Gesare, I can inspire people in real life. Yeah.
So Gesare. Briefly. Onyara to tebi according to you. Kwa rekoba ayatari swim. Kwa rekoba Gesare 100%. Would you still want to go back to Osoro?
Narako banche?
Kwa rekoba nga swim nere Gesare. Ako sibana en swim. Nubate muntu ko date ko sumwanyo mande. Wana to tebi nga real life any who magodwa ona Osoro.
Okay, let me tell you one thing. Okay, there is a story we've ever acted na Osoro yenye ishaikuwa real in my real life. If it was me, the swing, tota even Osoro ngo date in real life, I could still go back there. Ask me why. Because ni ntamo Osoro, nyoro monto mungao, my friends. Okanyore beast ebuyeto Osoro. That's what I believe. I can come back. Okay, siwezi rudi ati continuously like that way. No. Nitarudi kwa Osoro, tutaongea, tutasolve, tutakuwa fiti. Ama kama I want to move on, I cannot do the same thing I did kwa screen ati nimetoka tu na nimeenda nini. No, in real life nitarudi kwa Osoro, nimuongeleshe, nimwambie mimi sasa pale nimefikia, I wanna move on. Kama tumeamua iishe. Yeah. Na kama tunaweza make it, then we can sit down and get what to do. Yeah. So I can be a Gesare in real life.
Well, that's great. Kwa wale ambao pengine tuko live kwa platforms 3. Tuko live kwa NDIZI TV, YouTube. Tuko live kwa Gesare Actress TikTok na also the actor TikTok. So tuko hapa pamoja na Gesare na pia Muiburi mwawe, so Muiburi mwawe. Asibari waringege bataracha wajari yake na mko batevi briefly. Editor ya audio.
Etari ana real Judith Kerubo.
Judith Kerubo. Na rase movie yako rukunga Kerubo. Na ndo chira kwa mokane by force. Awere mokane by force asingi jara direne kenyoro. So the point is, what we are trying to figure out, to show you NDIZI TV for the past like 3 hours. One of the lakini there is this last segment about our personal lives and experiences, especially on the movie Mobucha, and to get to find out who is Gesare in real life and who is Judith in real life. So Judith na otote vidi na mapema sibarua today nilaitanga ki ere, she's a mother, she's a wife, and she takes care of 4 orphans, na wote ni wa familia yake, wa brother yake na sister yake. And we kivyangu mimi na feel kama niyo we can forgo anything else tujaribu kudiscuss hiyo, because pia mimi hata tumefanya kazi na yeye sikuwa najua that much. Nilikuwa najua kuna orphan mmoja na take care of, but I realized there are 4 and they were 5, one of them died, and then sasa kuna 4 of them ana take care of. Na najua sisi, unajua we take a lot of time kuwa online na kushughulikia mambo erenekio menako oni, and we have a family that we really care about, because that's why we go acting and go through stuff to make sure online family nere intact. So we feel like we can run to you at some point. Tuminya ketu abatevinga ki Ntuni igana igature na wamogo come through. So I'm encouraging that as actors, as the filmmakers, kwa natareko kwanira na ndina kitawa kwa to make sure to chip it in as okorera chinta kana kiri Judith akorera gosikirugo oyore ko ngita na ndego iga
abantu baona ki in real life ninde single.
In real life.
In
real life, no. In real life.
In acting, I'm married. In real life, I'm single. Yeah,
In
so
real-
ukitaka kuweka papers, feel free. Kwani mboga kuweka?
Yeah, toma report.
Yeah.
Abantu bari
In
mota
real life, I'm single. In acting, I'm married. Ukitaka kuweka papers, feel free bana.
Abantu bari-
Kwani utajiua na hii baridi ya Kisii saa hii? Allah.
abantu bari mota to mama zakara mwira ni lakini mutware yani mutware clearance kurwa se university mwazo anyway mna sakaja, lakini sakaja is winning it anyway. So tokuwa nega nani Judith no arega to aparela
Sakaja.
tuakwani for some time mugega, lakini nita to concentrate on Judith nimata abantu bari YouTube gaiga, abantu bari TikTok ya Gesare, abantu bari TikTok ya Nega Osoro. They are our followers, and a lot of them wamenipigia wakiniambia wapate kazi nyingi ambazo kumanya what next. And of course the what next bit probably ora zange to yeshoot tiere ready ni tutaje kumanya what do you expect na Gesare tuna kubata zinga nyo. So Judith, like most of us, like most of you when you watch pia, we need help. Judith ncheke tuna watu basi ndio tu prepare kwa na mangana ya mwana kile I feel it's something important. We can find some time yenye specific, lakini nitakenga kin o kwa ni namba yao o korigere dia kamera hiyo rigere kamera kwa ni namba yao mara gatatu ya Igwate Mpesa. I know these people are so generous, they are so supportive. Na wako nyaro muntu so gatatu wao tenga kin ba uwa kera no go bolinga wana buna dikara wa kwanya go se bate miye go se bate duwe or go se no go wana go ska go so ba go where school, and then we will get more information from you ngikiri bata kire school ngai ba soma. Maybe people, I know there are people who have been supported a lot, so na baka tege namba yao.
Namba ya NDIZI ere 07 25 21
Ili kamera ya kwa chaka bia. Ili gari uteze yuko.
Namba ya NDIZI igere 07 25 21 25 91.
Oh, igere aga.
07 25 21 25 91. Ina namba ya NDIZI.
Or gesare ngonye pini ara se live ya sabar mo wati gesare, but for the sake of wale wenye maybe yabanyora off guard mbonge tukorika na boko riko akere no nye Judith
25
07
25 21 25
2125.
itako ganda go bege chito
91.
Yeah, the 50 of us when it's I believe you can support her.
So abantu bari muri live ya gesare, muri live ya Osoro, muri live ya NDIZI TV YouTube, na noto kana mombore na samora na wale ga twensi to kubate bia so bwa mungaki.
Thank you.
Asante sana.
Asante. Na muendelee
Wacha Mungu awabariki na wainue na watetee mema.
Yeah.
So nande ba dinu mo pastor, ozo konyo mo pastor.
Mo assistant pastor.
What the connect?
Wondi kana assistant pastor. No mo no yega ko kore bintu biri mate enchiri ko randi ku enchira chinjira chinyinge. Enchiri ko randi ku chinjira chinyinge na boko sanginga umonto ko randi nane karato wag gatrapa. Karo wagti abo wagti no monto mobe ko reflect on the people go se go punish abantu bari correcting abantu bari bara they can look at themselves and feel guilt maybe and depend chinchiri nyingi
Ametuma pesa hapa anaitwa Wilfred.
Kapata igwa
Wilfred Nyangono.
Wilfred Nyangono bia mwana Wilfred as support yao asengencho at the end of the day noto ke tetone ko konya na igo ena mbeto ego no ere pindi na boko nyukwana for the last time alafu tosie ke live kara kwa nini na mbeyo. We will only wish to have a mamboleo Judith Kerubo. So diganye atabe na mbeyo lio mwerio se bari watanyerika and we will have our time to talk about this yego waraigo so that we have a reasonable kind of support to our sister and colleague. Nande nyuma zora kora nyuma turagenda mambolengo chara bakwani lakini bona gajudi iro namba yako gaji naga mambole acha to kwani togenda.
Namba ya ni 07 25 21 25 91.
Mwena
07 25 21 25 91.
Sama ongeri unauliza hope amepata unajiita nani?
07
Juu namba ya
25
TikTok yetu kwa jina ya
21
pesa.
2591.
So some ongeri tumeshukuru. You keep sending and this is a noble cause and we appreciate. Next week kama hivi mtakuwa na Mobucha part 2. Moto sana hata kuliko ile nyingine. Moto mbaya. Mtu anachapwa sana na mtu anakuzwa sana. Maybe mtu anauliwa sana, tunazika mtu. Alafu kabla tumalize mambo leo kuja usalimie watu. Mimi wale mambo leo akikuja tunataka kushout watu wa mabrother wetu wenye wanaitwa Mkisi wako na show Jumamosi.
Pale
Nairobi Kenya National Theatre.
We'll be representing.
Akiwa mtobate, wasupport Mkisi.
Naomba kwa nini ngakia?
Biamono, ngoli.
Hapa.
Biamono. Niaje wasi.
Ada alikuwa anataka mwana na wangu biamono. Mwana noyo.
Mwana biamono.
Mwana naye kwa sinya sai. Mambo leo ni mamba.
Akiona kwa na biamono.
Bantu mbali ndori. Dava bakwane la ere one way. Mbali ko.
Oh, okay. Nsengoro ku job Osando, lakini hapa kwa mtandao mambo leo
Nikiwa kwa soft figure.
Aonde soft figure.
Aya sana mimi. So mambo leo
nero soft nera kwa ne, onyo soft nera kwa ne.
Kaya bantu beto ba YouTube.
Too soft. Samora ncho salute kwende. And of course Salome Sali. Salome kuja usalimie watu, Samora kuja usalimie. You have to salute, man. Samora is our producer and director all this long. And this one is Sally Salome kwa TikTok anaitwa Kirubo 1998 unanga naye
1998
Kesare kwa na arasa kwa na akia bantu ba.
Aya Salome bona ndi wakati yako kwa ni abana
abantu bamintombo yamore namwe iburi nchengoro ku Salome Kerubo TikTok ingoro ka Kerubo 998 yeah
Okwasi kwa 1998 yeah Salome na yeye
Salome nayo kwa
Samoro kwa ni njina Salome
Samoro kwa ni renji Salome kwa
Salome kwa
ndio crush wangu ndio jirani yangu. Nasema mtu mimi.
Haya.
Hello. Biamore mwens. Esi ni osoro ni.
Era more authentic. Era more authentic.
Yani mpaka chitajira lakini
Ndigo.
He is extra brown. Hata simu yangu imembaki.
Biamono sana se bari wonsi mwanya kwa mogo sanga naitwa somoro yole ro kumanyana na kubakwani na kukwanania ntobanje sana ina bantaba ya mugendera ko bonya sanya ko barinda na ko babere kororo na kimugotara na gato akore waki
sina space uongee
sawa
ko baitande
mwana yangu yole sibiano tiketi
mbona ko baitande ara gota.
Yeah, so thank you so much for joining us. Tunawapenda sana. We are working on something new. Tunaandaa sinema ingine tamu. So from next week expect a new show, a new season. Wale watu mlisema mnataka muone katika show, they are going to be in the show. Kila mtu, everyone is invited. And NDIZI TV no in the Koyaba Stars Bonds.
NDIZI TV no fire. Bye bye.
NDIZI TV is home to all actors.
Wote ni wa mama wa TikTok, muwafollow ni mama.
Nao ni mama.
Ana TikTok. Jobu mpole mama.
TikTok si mimi.
Tunaanza kulipwa.
Tunaanza kulipwa. Siku TikTok tunaanza kulipwa.
Ukianza kuingia TikTok, kuingia live TikTok, wewe
kama Trump alikataa TikTok. Msinifollow taki.
Angalia ananiambia ni mtaki ndio afollowiwe.
Msinifollow. Eti jobu mpole. Msinifollow jobu mpole si yangu. Hiyo si account.
Wewe ni jobu mwada.
Mimi ni jobu mwada. Hiyo si yangu.
Watu wangu, thank you for 23 followers and 23k followers and 100k plus followers. Target yangu nataka tu kwanza tufike 50k followers. Na I believe this week haitaisha kama sijafika.
Nilisaidia huyo msichana kuwa serious na nini. Sasa kimenipita.
Sasa jisaidie.
Sasa anza kujisaidia basi.
Sasa kujisaidia mwenyewe.
Hata mimi kama mtali nilisaidia lakini sijamfikia by the way.
Yeah, so thank you everyone, thank you watu wetu wa YouTube, thank you for the support you're giving us, thank you for watching our videos and sharing. Naonanga sana zinakuwa shared TikTok. Thank you for any little support that you've given us, and we pray that as we start giving out our my first wife season 2, mkwe na sisi, msichoke na
hiyo story, mkijua script iko hapo. Msikose. Hiyo story ni mbaya.
Imeandikwa bro. Hiyo ni story big.
Na mlishaona nishaingia, acha niwaambie, mlishaona nishaingia tao, so I believe
I can fly. I believe I can touch the fly. I think about it every night and day.
Come out.
Yeah, so as I was saying, wacha nishukuru watu nyiwa.
Basi washukuru.
Yeah. So, so yeah, I believe kwani simtanizoe. Yeah, I believe itakuwa moto. Yeah, msishangae na hiyo yangu.
Tena kesho tuko live. So, stay tuned.
Follow watu wangu TikTok, muwafollow.
Wanasema huwa mnarudia nini episode yenye
that was a mistake.
Ngoja, kuna announcement inamekiwa hapo. Make your announcement properly kwa sababu
tomorrow,
pale kesho tupatane masaa haya wakati huu.
Ngoja, kesho
mahali
ni
pale.
Kesho ni Friday.
tutakuwa live.
Kesho ni
Wednesday, Friday.
Tutakuwa live.
Wednesday tutakuwa live bado,
Yes,
so
Wednesday.
stay tuned.
So,
so kesho stay tuned, tutakuwa live PM. We have a new announcement. Kuna announcement nyingine serious, na tutakuwa na mgeni katika show, a very interesting guest.
Ni mwanaume.
Ni mwanaume.
Thank you.
Pia wale wengine watufumbue. Kama kuna mgeni mwingine, wageni wengine muje.
Na wacha kusema ati kuna kitu nilikuwa nataka kucorrect nimesema.
Mambi tomera ni
Yeah,
sawa.
so na mambi.
Guys, pia mimi sasa na
watu wangu wa TikTok.
Acha kwanza.
Tupatane saa
Hata niweke hivi.
Nimalize yangu ndio tuendelee yako bana.
Hapana,
mimi natoka live.
Acha niweke announcement kwa yako.
Nitakuwa
live announcement kwa yako.
Nitakuwa na introduce ule mwanaume niliwaambia 12. Ala, mkuje nyi wote.
Basi hata mimi nitakuwa live saa.
Nitakuwa na introduce ule
mwanamke niliwaambia.
Yeah, and I'm serious. Leo si wa prank by the way.
And I'm serious, yeah. Leo si wa prank by the way. So watu wa YouTube tunashukuru sana, Mungu ni mwema. Kama if you can find us on YouTube, on TikTok. Gesare Actress.
Keruba 998.
Gesare Actress. Na pia Osoro the Actor. Najua huko TikTok. Kuna watu wana
roho chafu. Kuna watu wana roho chafu.
Anyway. We see you tomorrow, but again we can meet at 9. Mimi kwangu 9 p.m. to 12 p.m.
Kwanza naanza 11:45 after
mimi naingia live at 9.
Wenye mmeni gift, thank you. Good night for now.
Naingia live at 9. For an night.
Pia TikTok.
Ukiangalia hapa kuna kitu.
Lakini hii TikTok
kwenye mjagi
hao watu wa TikTok.
Hao watu wa nini?
Sam pia wewe. Hao watu wa TikTok. Osoro, hao watu wa TikTok.
Watu watoke huko. Nimechelewa.
Aki na wapo.
Mmetoa mbali
mimi nafuata na madem.
Angalia ni madem kwa TikTok.
Nimechelewa.
Umejelewa.
Mimi amechelewa.
Guys, tunashukuru sana kwa kuwa na sisi all the. Of course watu wamekuwa distracted na nini platforms zingine, but tunashukuru. We'll be live again as Samora told you. Tutakuwa live again.
Bye guys.
4 p.m. East African time. And thank you for the support. We love you so much.
Nimeingia 2 days
Bye.
It's okay.
Naingia 25.
Karua live.
Samora ngakingoli live.
Si hata live peke yake.
Kaisa mbona
It's half a million.
Half a million.
A million views.